Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. I am Prem Tarneja. Well, two major budgets were announced this week. The rail budget and the IPL budget. And no prizes for guessing which one's hogging the headlines. All that and pepper spray. On the show today, Chai Pe Charcha with Narendra Modi. Operation Telangana. Is there a doctor in the house? And Anna Hazare looks back. But first, things are hotting up for Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Actually, when have things not been hotting up for him? The AAP's month and a half in power has been one breathless sequence of headline after headline. Someone should tell Kejriwal that 5 years of this kind of news-making will exhaust the energies of the whole state, whether or not we have free power and water by then. Anyway, the latest controversy is the Jan Lokpal Bill, and the Swaraj Bill, and the FIR against Mukesh Ambani. I'm wondering, doesn't anyone in the AAP advise Kejriwal to slow down? Or is that not how it works there?
Today we have gathered here to get the verdict on three issues. Issue number 1 है जी, the Swaraj Bill. We propose to empower 3,000 mohallas across Delhi and decentralize governance. Are there any questions or queries?
Arvind bhai, I think that
Yes, मेरे को पता है जी. I agree with you. It is a very crucial legislation and we must table it at the earliest.
But what about the...
हाँ जी, रिलायंस इशू की बात कर रहे हो ना आप? मेरे को पता है जी. बिल्कुल, मैं भी यही कहने वाला था. Should we file an FIR against Mukesh Ambani? Before we reach a conclusion, let's hear the prosecutor. Ambani has inflated gas bills in collusion with the government. केस तो बनता है जी. Defense. And now, the verdict from our judge. Having heard both sides, I pronounce Mukesh Ambani deserving of an FIR. Case closed. आखिरी issue is what our strategy should be if the center obstructs the Jan Lokpal Bill. Should I resign and bring the government down? What do you all think?
But Arvind bhai, won't this play into the hands of the other parties and hurt the ordinary Aam Aadmi?
हाँ, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ जी. Let the Aam Aadmi give the final verdict. आखिरी फैसला आम आदमी का ही होगा जी. है जी? हाँ भाई, क्या बोल रहे हो आम आदमी? हमें सरकार गिरानी चाहिए? हमें इस्तीफा देना चाहिए?
Well, whether or not they are good at being in power, they are good at making powerful enemies. And with this latest FIR against Mukesh Ambani, Kejriwal and company are now battling the very richest man in India. Have they bitten off more than they can chew? Or are we going to see a Hollywood ending? Now, while on the subject of riches and money-making, it's time to welcome my first guest for the day, Lalit Modi. Welcome to the show.
Babies, I'm back. My baby is back. We are all back.
Yes, the IPL is certainly back and you are of course trying to make a comeback. But the BCCI is in your way.
I'll fix the BCCI. And Srinivasan is guilty of match fixing. Prem, did you see the news?
His son-in-law was indicted in the IPL spot-fixing scandal by the Justice Mudgal Committee. I did see that, yes.
They're all in it together, Prem. Everyone knows. Even Dhoni knows. He's covering up. I'm not afraid of anybody, Prem. I'll speak the truth.
From a safe distance, yes, you are speaking out. Meanwhile, of course, you have your own name to clear. After all, you are the one who started this whole scandal-ridden tournament.
It was different then, baby. Prem, I was making the money then.
Huh?
Everything was clean then. Anyway, stop questioning me. Just because my name is Modi doesn't mean you keep questioning me, babies.
I have to say, neither you nor your namesake in politics have brought much glory to your name. However, Narendra Modi's campaign for 2014 is gathering plenty of steam. Literally, that is. He's now seen speaking to people at tea stalls over steaming cups of chai. It's the Chai Pe Charcha campaign and it kicked off this week. But let's take a closer look at what exactly is being served.
One chai, please.
Coming up.
Wow, Narendra Modi at a chai stall.
That's right. It's my new Chai Pe Charcha political campaign where I interact with common people like you over a cup of hot chai.
Wow, amazing. Such an important man and you still have the common touch.
In fact, becoming important has improved my touch.
Oh.
Wait till you sample my new Kadak chai recipe. It starts with special GM chai ki patti.
GM mane genetically manufactured.
Arey, Gujarat model.
Oh,
Then we add some masala.
divide and rule.
Then a little more masala.
Hate and bitterness.
Finally, some sugar to sweeten.
Flyover sweetener.
And boil the whole thing with
Saffron.
saffron.
I haven't seen this recipe before.
Arey, try it. Only 12 rupees.
12 rupees?
Huh?
But that's my daily wages.
Oh, wonderful. Then you are above the poverty line too. Arey, try. पीजिए, लीजिए.
Let me try.
कैसा लगा? अरे, oh.
A clean chit. I want to get 1 2 Prem. Do you know कितने का था यार? Idea है कुछ? अरे never mind baby. What do you know about money matters anyway?
Well, I know there's lots of money in the IPL, as the auctions this week proved.
Lots of money is the mark of a successful business launched by a creative genius, baby.
It's also usually associated with crookedness and corruption. The spot-fixing scandal that you are so pleased about may catch more people in its net than N. Srinivasan, you know. The team you're close to, the Rajasthan Royals, is also under the scanner. So don't laugh too soon, Mr. Modi, because after Hasi to Phasi comes...
Don't try to scare me, babies. I've got nothing to hide.
Oh, by the way, I saw some policemen hanging about outside our studio.
What? Oh, I gotta go, Prem. I'm wanted back in London. Bye, babies.
Goodbye, and it's time for a break. On the other side, India's biggest bleeding heart joins us in the studio. But on the way out, let's take a look at what's causing our Prime Minister all that heartache.
Dr. Rajnath, the patient's life is in danger. I think only amputation of one of the limbs can save him. What do you think?
I totally agree with you. It is the only way out.
Dr. Kiran Kumar Reddy, start making arrangements for the operation. So everything is settled, Dr. Kiran Kumar Reddy. Start the incision. Hello? What's the matter? Can't you hear me? The health of this poor guy is deteriorating. If we don't do something, the poison will spread to other parts. Dr. Rajnath, what are you doing standing idle? Help me.
Where are the scissors? There are no tools. How do I operate? With my nails?
Dr. Reddy, this is too much. I ordered you to bring the tools and start before he dies.
Am I going to die?
Oh, you don't worry. Nothing's gonna happen to you. Call Dr. Rahul. Wait. He hasn't performed any surgery.
Oh, Sonia ji. I'll call Dr. Modi.
No!